Is your career safe from AI?
According to the International Monetary Fund, AI will affect 20% of all jobs. Every year, Egypt uses 1.5 billion dating models out of blocks. Let's talk about AI. Whether it's going to take your job.
AI is changing the job landscape faster than ever, and it's only going to accelerate from here more. Now, what types of jobs are most at risk? Clicking on tasks which are repeated and you just have to follow instructions or rules, and there is lack of discussion and decision making in your day-to-day work. Then you are at very high risk, like coding functions or creating design elements, drafting documents, corporate conversations, or you are acting like a tool to your organization. Sadly, AI can handle this type of work more efficiently and will become better and better. Now let's talk about the safe areas. These are the jobs that require emotional intelligence. For example, take healthcare. A doctor consulting with a patient, understanding their emotions and giving them reassurance. That can't be replaced by AI, while analyzing medical reports and diagnosing based on data is something AI can do. And for development, it's a mix. Coding tasks, writing simple functions, AI can already do that. But here's what's not replaceable: stitching everything together, building a full product, thinking through multiple layers of business logic and converting it into a solution that's both functional and appealing to users. That's the kind of development that's still safe for now. Here's the good news: these changes are still unfolding. AI is evolving, but it hasn't taken over yet. Businesses are testing the waters, building tools, and trying to figure out how to integrate AI into their processes. Now it's your turn. In which career you are? Are you safe from AI's impact on your career, or is it time to start learning and adapting? Let me know your thought in the comments.